Chemistry in everyday life, the last chapter in 12th CBSE chemistry and important for the NEET exam. Simple chapter. Let us start with chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is deals with the use of chemicals in the treatment of diseases. Use of chemicals to treat diseases. Now, first type of drugs we are going to discuss is antipyretic. Antipyretic means the chemical used to bring down the body temperature, especially in case of fever. The most common antipyretic is aspirin. This is the structure of aspirin. Remember this aspirin structure. In addition to that, phenacetin and paracetamol also can be used. And analgesics are the drugs that are going to relieve the body pain. And aspirin, which is antipyretic, here it can also be used as analgesics, because in addition to bring down the body temperature in fever, it also relieve the pain. And some narcotics also can be used. In addition to relieving the pain, they are also going to produce sleep. So in case of when the patient needs sleep along with the body pain relief, then narcotic analgesics are going to be preferred, but they are habit forming. Narcotic analgesics are habit forming. Example: morphine, marijuana, codeine, pethidine, heroin. They are all the narcotic analgesics. And heroin, remember, it is the derivative of morphine. That's why it is called as morphine diacetate. Heroin is morphine diacetate. And antiseptic is the chemical that kills or prevents the growth of microorganism applied on the living tissue. It has to be applied on the living tissue, on cut and wounds. Okay, it is going to either kill the microorganisms or prevent the growth of microorganisms on the living tissue. Then disinfectants are the chemicals used to kill the microorganisms applied on inanimate means non-living, inanimate objects like floor or some instruments like scissor and all. There we are going to apply disinfectants. So if you take phenol, if less concentration 0.2% of phenol, then you can use it as antiseptic. If it is 1%, you can use it as a disinfectant. If it is 1.5, you can use it as germicide. So this is the use of phenol. Based on the percentage, we can use it as antiseptic, disinfectant, or germicide. And remember, dilute solution of boric acid is a weak antiseptic used to treat eye infection. Okay. And bethanol is used in the preparation of soap, and it is also antiseptic. And perhydrol means hydrogen peroxide, that also can be used as antiseptic. And remember the chemical name of Dettol, it is chloroxylenol and terpinol. Very important to the exam. Now the meaning of antibiotics are the chemicals produced by some microorganism which can destroy other microorganism. The best example is penicillin, used to treat pneumonia, bronchitis, sore throat, and abscesses. In addition to that, streptomycin, tetracycline, chloramphenicol are also the other antibiotics, whereas streptomycin is used to treat tuberculosis, chloramphenicol is used to treat typhoid. Now there are two classification of antibiotic: broad spectrum and narrow spectrum antibiotic. Broad spectrum antibiotics are going to use to kill different types of harmful microorganisms. They are going to use against different types of harmful microorganisms. Example for broad spectrum antibiotic: tetracycline and chloramphenicol. Whereas narrow spectrum antibiotics, they are applied to kill specific microorganism. So in that example, ampicillin and amphoxicillin, which are the derivatives of penicillin. Okay. And sulfur containing drugs, nothing but sulfanilamide, they are like antibiotic. So it is alternative to antibiotic. If someone is allergic to antibiotic, then instead of using antibiotics, sulfur drugs can be used. Then tranquilizers, they are going to use to calm or reduce the anxiety in some patients, because it is going to act on central nervous system. Two types of tranquilizers we use: sedative and hypnotics, and mood elevators. Sedative and hypnotics difference is, if you are using in less concentration, it will depress the central nervous system. If you are using in high concentration, along with depressing central nervous system, it will induce sleep. Example: barbituric acid consists of luminol and seconal. And mood elevator antidepressants are the tranquilizers. It is to treat highly depressed patient. Antidepressants: example, benzedrine, methamphetamine. These are the antidepressant drugs, belongs to tranquilizer class. Anesthetics, you know very well, it is used to give the insensitivity to pain. To make it unconscious, we are using anesthetics. There are two types, general and local. General, for major surgical operation it is going to be used. Example, nitrous oxide, cyclopropane and ethylene are the general anesthetics, whereas local anesthetics are going to apply in a particular place. It will be available in the form of gel like xylocoin, and it is available in the form of spray, ethyl chloride. It is available also in the form of injection called procaine. Then sulfa drugs, as I said, it is used to treat cocci infection. Cocci is a spherical shaped bacteria. It's a derivative of sulfuracillamide, and it is applied on the patient who are allergic to antibiotics. Now come to artificial sweetening agents. Here we need to remember, compared to sugar, these artificial sweetening agents, how many times they are sweeter. So first we will start with aspartame. Aspartame is 100 times sweet compared to sugar, and it is usually aspartame used for cold food items because it is stable in cold condition, aspartame. And saccharin 550 times, sucralose 600 times, ali times, 2000 times as sweet as sugar. Okay, this is about artificial sweetening agents. Food preservative, just remember here, sodium benzoate, sorbic acid salt, propionic acid salts are the common food preservatives, along with household table salt, sugar and vegetable oil. And remember, soaps are prepared by saponification, because soaps are nothing but sodium or potassium salts of fatty acid. When you add oil in sodium hydroxide to produce a soap, that preparation is called as saponification. Then bacteriostatic means the drug that arrest the growth of, that reduce the growth of microorganism. Example, erythromycin. And during allergic reaction in our body, mast cells are going to release histamine. And alternative to antibiotic, sulfa drugs. Perhydrol means hydrogen peroxide, which is used as a antiseptic. Antioxidants are going to retard the oxygen on the food. So antioxidants also can be used as a food preservative. Example, BHT, BHA. Butylated hydroxytoluene and butylated hydroxyanisole are the good antioxidants. And anti-fertility drugs includes norethindrone.